Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick and easy trail today. It's just called the Hayhoe River Trail here in Mason, Michigan. This is my hometown, and I've never actually walked it all the way through, so I'm just going to do a quick and easy short one today. So, enjoy! Alright, well so far the trail is by a road. It's got a nice wooden walk through here. This is all new parts, I haven't done this before. Still a good walk. I think it's more of a walk than a hike, but hey, I'll take it. It's a beautiful day out. Alright, so into the actual woods we go now. Again, beautiful day. And already seen a couple of people. That's okay. It's good to have people out here and enjoying the trails and taking in nature. So, here we go.
Yeah.
So I think this is definitely occupied more by bikers. The bike trail for sure. I mean, can you see that? The trail itself is paved. Yeah. I've seen a lot more people biking than actually hiking or walking. That's okay. Of course, it makes me laugh whenever they say on your left. Well, I just saw a gopher or a woodchucker or something just across the trail. He stopped, looked at me, and of course, over top the river was a crane that scared it away. So I've already seen more nature out here in my hometown than I saw on the Saugatuck Trail, which is a little surprising to me. Here we go. Pretty river that you get to enjoy while walking down this trail. It's not really expected when you're inside a little town like this, but maybe it is. It's beautiful. Love it.
Yeah.
See, not alone on the trail. Alright, so this is the part of the trail after you cross that bridge that it goes into a cemetery. So if that thing creeps you out, maybe this ain't the trail for you. But you know what? It's a cemetery. They're all quiet.
Yeah.
Alright, still in the cemetery. Wide open space. Never said I was a fast hiker or walker. I take my time. I enjoy being out in nature. I take it all in. I don't want to just have it pass me by. So, I'm out of the cemetery. This is a part of the walk that actually goes through town a little bit, and it cuts down and around, and you get back on a normal trail. So I'll pick back up when I get over there. Alright, well I just walked through a park, which is part of the trail as well. Very pretty river here. And we're getting back into the wooded area, so yeah, we're done with the in-town stuff. Let's get this journey going. I think I already got about another mile left.
Yeah.
Well, here we are back in the thick of things. The brush is a lot more thicker here. You can even see the river. And it's quieter here though. The other part of the trail you could hear some like construction or something. I don't know what it was. You can hear a little bit of road traffic here, but not much. But yeah, I don't even know where the river is. But yeah, it's peaceful. Look what I found. And it goes underneath this bridge, which is part of the trail, and then goes over that way. So yeah, it'll be on the other side now. Well, I think we are nearing the end of the trail. Now I haven't really seen hardly anybody on this part. There's a bench if you feel like sitting down. So I'm gonna finish out the trail. Once I get to the end, I'll do my closing, and then we'll see you on the next one. Well, I'm sitting here now to do my my outro. Overall, really good trail. I mean, I've walked parts of it before. I live in this town, but they've expanded on it and they've made it nicer. Good, friendly people. If you want to go out and ride a bike on it, that's what most people are doing, I think, biking and running. It's not much of a hike, it's more of a walk. But yeah, I give it 4 stars. And of course you can see all my reviews on all trails. So, but that's it, and I'll see you on the next one. The next one, it looks like I'm going to be going on the green trail at 7 Lakes. And I'm doing that tomorrow. So this is Matt, and go take a hike.